Get it over the foot. Veggie holder.
It's pretty good.
Oh, yeah, and that'd be a nice thing to do on the side.
Yeah, if you know what you're doing. Yeah. Because it's sort of.
What are you ducking the egg for?
It's 360, funny one.
Oh, okay.
It's what was it talking about?
But it's certainly a good game.
Okay,
Where we are, where I've been in the game, it was like at 1 tonne, we get 1 gram of gold out of 1 tonne of water. And you know, we've got this massive plant going and we've got a massive trust, jumping 24-hour operation. I mean, it makes billions, but it's, you know, the amount of earth that's been moved in that super the
margins aren't massive by any means, it can still turn a profit, but
it's just like,
and a few people have been doing that here as well. They're just digging holes out, processing it all, sorting it.
When we wash the dirt, we got to back the trucks up the ramp. And a lot of other trucks got no brakes or hardly any brakes. So when you back up fairly steep ramp, you need your mate up there with a chock. And it's either a lump of wood, 2 of my mates had a lump of sandstone. So they use that for about the year. And it's not uncommon when you wash dirt that you can get got 4 major stones off the top, and the boys sold them for $220,000. And underneath was a gem about that size, and they sold it a year later in America for $365,000 US. That's about 15 years ago. That would have been $500,000. Yeah. So it goes back. I worked with some of the old timers, and they always said if it hasn't got your name on it, you're not going to find it. When the pressure comes on the pills or on the frost, you can hear them creak sometimes, and of course you can see the tap moving out of water.
Two different places we put the coins. But